Welcome to Lay's Kitchen. Today I am making baked feta cheese, a crowd pleaser for sure. Think feta cheese is just for salads? Think again. This baked feta with tomatoes, garlic, and herbs is a game changer. Warm, creamy, and packed with Mediterranean flavor. In just a few minutes of prep, I'll bring the best of Greek flavors to your table. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place 2 feta cheese blocks, drained and dried, into a 9 by 12 baking dish. Next, prepare and season the tomatoes. Slice the cherry tomatoes. Crush 3 cloves of garlic. Arrange the tomatoes around the feta cheese. Season the tomatoes with salt and pepper. Add Greek olives. Add garlic. Season with dried oregano, thyme, and rosemary. Add the same herbs onto the feta cheese. I also added more oregano all over. Drizzle with generous amount of extra virgin olive oil. Place a baking dish in the middle of the oven. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. While waiting for the feta to be baked, cut a few slices of hearty bread. I used French baguette. Rub a slice of fresh garlic on both sides of the bread. Drizzle some olive oil and sprinkle with salt. After 30 minutes, the feta should be soft. Turn the oven onto broil and place the baking dish on the top rack. Broil the cheese for a few more minutes until the cheese is golden brown on top. Remove the baked feta. Place the prepared bread slices into the oven and broil until golden brown on both sides. Spread a layer of baked feta. Top with tomatoes, olives, and garnish with chopped parsley. This baked feta cheese is a simple yet incredibly flavorful dish for any occasion. Make it for your next Mediterranean dinner or bring it to a party. It's going to be a hit with its creamy, tangy, and slightly salty taste with a savory, nutty aroma. Please check in the description below for ingredients, step-by-step cooking instructions, and links to products frequently used in my videos. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more authentic dishes from around the world. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.